This is a cacio e pepe that Max Mariola took it to the next level by adding shrimps, lime, and beautiful flavors. Yes, you can play with traditions. Yes, you can take a dish to the next level with logic. And Chef Max Mariola, the sexiest chef on the planet, is gonna show you how.
You want to be irresistible? You must make this pasta.
He said it. To make Max innovative cacio e pepe, we need 200 grams of spaghettoni quadrati, the thick spaghetti, 90 grams of pecorino romano, grated pecorino romano,
Quello buono, sempre.
100 grams of fresh raw shrimps or prawns, the good ones,
Yes.
about 20-30 grains of black pepper, and citrus, which can be orange, lime, lemon, up to you.
Grapefruit, what do you want? Okay.
So
Now,
Max, show us how to do it.
It's very simple pasta. The first step, just a pinch of salt. Pasta.
Follow the instruction on the packet when you cook the pasta. Però, what do we have to do here, Max?
Allora, this pasta cooked in the 12 minutes, but I need only the 7 minutes because I finished the cook in the pan. Okay, it's better because it's very more tasty with your sauce. Okay.
And you got the starch going there. So, 2 minutes before the instruction, you take it out. So if the pasta packet says 12 minutes, at 10 minutes, you take it out.
Now,
Okay.
the hot pan. Okay.
Now, the pan is very hot, yes.
When the pan is very hot, put the black pepper in the grain, no grated. The grated is no good. We need the grain of black pepper.
I always do grated.
It's better because when
Okay.
you grate is very tasty.
Like when you crush the garlic.
When you, come si dice? Quando
When
tu
you
senti
smell it, yeah, when you smell the garlic.
when you smell the black pepper, is ready. Okay? Now, or with mortaio, do not mortaio. Or is more simple with one plastic bag, okay? Put inside, okay? And now, dai,
Vai, you do it. That's what you use for the smash burgers,
Okay.
guys. Wow. Oh yeah, that's what you want, Max. Yeah.
I like no very fine, but this.
Yes.
Okay.
Of course. Yes. Max wants to feel the pepper in his tooth and
Vai.
he eats it.
Now, black pepper,
Pasta water.
pasta water. Okay. The second step, the prawns or shrimps.
Yeah, nice.
Okay.
Are we gonna do like a tartar or are we gonna
Yes,
cook them?
look at the tartare. It's enough 3 prawns for 1 people.
Okay. Okay. Oh, beautiful. So nice.
Okay. Oh,
Yeah.
fresh.
That's sexy. Everybody loves
The
shrimps or
shrimps,
prawns.
yes.
Or gamberi.
Yes.
Oh. It's a
Or
aphrodisiac too.
lobster.
It's aphrodisiac.
Yes.
So you know you're gonna have a good
For
evening.
the for the dinner romantic, for the dinner sexy.
Oh yeah.
It's this plate is salted, sexy, and aphrodisiac.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
We're going to kiss each other at the end.
Oh. Ok, così. Few olive oil, extra virgin olive oil. Ma hey, good stuff. Very
yeah.
good stuff. It's better from the region on the sea, Sicily, Sardinia, Tuscany, okay?
Puglia, Calabria, yeah.
Yes, Liguria.
Yes.
And now the mix of the citrus, lemon.
Oh, so you're actually mixing
Yeah,
lemon.
mix,
Oh, okay,
mix.
nice, beautiful.
Is fantastic. Do you know the come cazzo si chiama quella bergamotto?
Oh, the bergamot, yes. You know, bergamot is very good for you.
Lime and orange.
Yeah.
Okay. Now, slowly mix the tartar with the citrus and the olive oil. No salt. Plain. It's enough.
Beautiful.
After 8 minutes, put the pasta in the pan. Okay?
Yes.
Okay.
And the pan is on high heat, yeah, at the
Yeah.
moment. It's
Okay.
on the fire, yeah?
Yes, on the fire. Start the dancing from the pasta, the black pepper, and the pasta water.
Yeah.
Cha cha cha. Cha cha
Cha cha cha. Na 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 na. Cha cha cha. You need to be crazy when you cook. You need to give passion and love to your food.
Yes,
Bring happiness to your family, to your friends.
Look, only with the water and the black pepper. Look. The amide, no? Come si
Yeah,
chiama?
the starch that you created, yes.
Okay.
That's the beginning of the cream for the cacio pepe.
Okay. Only with the water and black pepper. Look. Okay?
Now switch off the stove now.
Ok? With dici con un po' di acqua lasciala.
You want a little bit of water in there. See that water? That's magic water.
Now count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Put the pecorino cheese.
So it's very important. It's very important you count to 10 because you don't want the pan to be too hot. If the pan is too hot, then you get the cheese becomes stringy. Instead, Max is gonna make this creamy. The 10 seconds rule for a fantastic cacio e pepe. Look at that. Look at Max. Look at what he's doing. Look how creamy it is. Look. Ah, that's what you want. Look how easy it is. Huh? Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Add more pasta water. Okay. And now, hey. Do you remember this sound? This sound is the sound of love. Oh. 1, 2, 3. The sound of love.
Yay! Ooh. Oh yes, this is sexy. This is sexy. Yeah. Yeah. Bella, bella. Guarda, look how beautiful and creamy it is. Look how simple it is to make this dish.
Oh.
But you know what? The 10
Simple.
seconds rule. The 10 seconds rule.
Yes.
Huh?
It's
How
very
important is that?
Yes, the temperature is very important. Look, Vincenzo, look.
Oh my God! Look how creamy it is.
Look.
Cream without the cream.
Oh, look, cream on love. Oh.
Max, this is super creamy.
Oh,
This
yes.
is super creamy.
And now?
Now to finish it off.
Yes. Okay.
Oh yeah, look at that. Wow,
Perfetto.
Max, that's beautiful. Drill lo extravergine niveau. Yeah, fantastic.
Okay.
Today you have Richard Gere and George Clooney cooking together. For you.
Pretty woman,
Down the street, pretty woman. But he thinks he's George Clooney.
Yes.
You tell me in the comment now, who
Yes.
is George Clooney, me or him?
Yeah.
We want to know. Look at this. Look at this. You
cream.
got creamy.
Oh. The
pepe.
smell,
Oh.
the black pepper, the citrus. It's fantastic.
The gamberi, the shrimps. Oh, look at that. It was so creamy, Max. Oh. Sexy.
No.
Yeah?
No. Madonna che buona. Oddio. Buona, oh. Buona da morire.
I like the pepper in my tooth. The pepper, you're right. It's so refreshing. It's so summery. So citrusy. Cheese. Oh. That's what happened. This pasta, it's irresistible.
Yes.
He just showed you. Guys, when you come to Milan, come and visit Max Mariola restaurant. You will love it. He can make the best carbonara in Milan for sure. Thank you, Max. He's irresistible. Thank you so much for watching this episode. We will see you in the next video. Go and check out Max's YouTube channel. He's fun, he's amazing, and he's sexy.
Thank you. Bye bye. The sound
Thank
of
you.
love.
The sound of love. E ora si mangia.
Dai, eh?
Cacio e pepe from Max Mariola.